Today, let's review a few examples of how to reconstruct an informal sentence into a formal one. Mobile changed the way we communicate with each other. A more academic way of writing would be, the mobile has transformed the way people communicate with one another. Similarly, the current developments in science and technology facilitated space tourism. Instead, you could write, the advent in science and technology has paved the way for spacefaring. Skillful workers from developing nations are in search for better job opportunities globally. You can rewrite this into a formal sentence like, proficient workforce from emerging nations are in pursuit of better career prospects worldwide. If you want to learn about the formal aspects of writing, join us at B-Ghud. Okay.